Healthy eating is essential for maintaining a balanced and fueling life. Full stop. It involves consuming a variety of foods that provide the necessary nutrients our bodies need to function correctly. Full stop. These nutrients include proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Full stop. Each of these plays a circular role in keeping our bodies healthy and energetic. Full stop. Proteins are the building blocks of our body. Full stop. They help in the growth and repair of twice. Full stop. Food rich in protein include meat, fish, eggs, beans, and nuts. Full stop. Carbohydrates are the primary source of energy for our bodies. Full stop. They can be found in foods like bread, rice, pasta, and fruits. Full stop. Fats, all through often misunderstood, are also vital. Full stop. They provide energy, support cell growth, and protect our organs. Full stop. Healthy fats can be found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Full stop. Para change. Vitamins and minerals are essential for various bodily functions. Full stop. For example, vitamin C helps in the repair our tissues and the absorption for irons, while calcium is crucial for strong bones and teeth. Full stop. These nutrients can be obtained for a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, dairy products, and lean meats. Full stop. One of the key aspects of healthy eating is variety. Full stop. Eating a wide range of foods ensures that we get all the necessary nutrients. Full stop. It also makes our meals more energizable and interesting. Full stop. Including different colors, textures, and flavors in our diet can make a significant difference in our overall health and well-being. Full stop. Another important factor is portion control. Full stop. Eating the right amount of food is just as important as eating the right kinds of food. Full stop. Overeating can lead to weight gain and other health issues, while undereating can result is nutrient deficiency, full stop. It's essential to listen to our bodies and eat when we are hungry, comma, stopping when we are full stop. Para change. Hydration is another critical component of healthy eating, full stop. Drinking enough water is vital for our bodies to function correctly, full stop. Water helps in digestion, comma, absorption of nutrients, comma, and regulation of body temperature, full stop. It's recommended to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, comma, but this can vary depending on individual needs and activity levels, full stop. Healthy eating also involves making mindful choices, full stop. This means being aware of what we are eating and making conscious decisions to choose healthier options, full stop. For example, comma, opting for whole grains instead of refined grains, comma, choosing lean meats over fatty cuts, comma, and selecting fresh fruits and vegetables over processed snacks, full stop. Para change. It's also important to limit the intake of sugar, comma, salt, comma, and unhealthy fats, full stop. High consumption of these can lead to various health problems such as heart disease, comma, diabetes, comma, and high blood pressure, full stop. Reading food label and being aware of the ingredients in our food can help us make better choices. In addition to physical health, comma, healthy eating has a positive impact on our mental well-being, full stop. A balanced diet can improve our mood, comma, increase our energy levels, comma, and help us think more clearly, full stop. It can also reduce the risk of mental health issues such as depression and anxiety, full stop. In conclusion, comma, healthy eating is about more than just losing weight to looking good, full stop. It's about nourishing our bodies and minds, comma, and leading a balanced and fulfilling life, full stop. But making small changes to our diet and being mindful of our food choices, comma, we can significantly improve our overall health and well-being, full stop. So, comma, let's make a commitment to eat healthy and enjoy the benefit of a healthier lifestyle.